Hello student, today I am going to discuss motional EMF or electromotive force. We know that the EMF is induced in a circuit when the amount of magnetic flux linked with the circuit is changed. Since magnetic flux linked with a surface is given by phi equal to BA cos theta, where B is magnetic field, A is area of the surface, and theta is the angle between the normal to the surface and the direction of magnetic field. Therefore, there are three methods of reducing induced EMF. Number one, by changing the magnitude of magnetic field. Number two, by changing the area. And number three, the angle theta. Now, what is motional EMF? The EMF induced across the ends of a conductor due to its motion in a magnetic field is called motional EMF. Now you see the diagram. PQRS, a rectangular conductor in which the conductor PQ is free to move without friction on this frame. And this arrangement is placed in a magnetic field B vector, magnetic field B vector, which is perpendicular to the plane of conducting frame. Now you see the diagram. PQ is the conductor. This conductor, while moving inwards with velocity v, the area of this loop is decreasing. Since magnetic field is acting perpendicular to the plane of the loop and that is fixed, but area of this loop is changes. Due to change in area of this loop, induced EMF is produced. Let Rs is equal to L and Rq is equal to X. So area of this loop is area of this loop Lx. Magnetic flux phi enclosed by the loop PQRS BA cos of 0 degree, BA, A is Lx, B Lx. Due to motion of the rod PQ, area of this loop decreasing, and hence induced EMF is produced. The rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the surface induces an EMF. According to Faraday's law, the rate of change of magnetic flux is directly proportional to the magnitude of induced EMF. The induced EMF is given by E equal to minus d phi b by dt, d of dt minus d of dt blx, since phi equal to phi b equal to blx, we are putting this value. bl minus dx by dt blb, where minus dx by dt equal to v is the velocity as decreasing distance x, that is equal to therefore equal to VLV, which is the required expression for motional EMF. The direction of induced EMF is given by Lenz's law. The induced current flows in the loop in the anti-clockwise direction. Consequently, the NQ of rod PQ is at higher potential than at the end P. Means Q is at higher potential, P is lower potential. The current is flowing anti-clockwise direction. Thank you.